Welcome to Travel Vibe, your guide to exploring the world's most beautiful destinations. In today's episode, we're heading to Canada, a country known for its diverse landscapes and incredible camping opportunities. Get ready for an unforgettable tent camping adventure in the Great White North. Canada offers a wide range of tent camping destinations, catering to every outdoor enthusiast. Let's start our journey in the breathtaking Rocky Mountains of Alberta and British Columbia. The Rocky Mountains provide a stunning backdrop for your camping experience. From Banff National Park to Jasper National Park, you'll find numerous campgrounds nestled amidst towering peaks, crystal-clear lakes, and picturesque meadows. Wake up to the crisp mountain air and embark on unforgettable hiking trails right from your tent. If you prefer coastal camping, head to the Pacific Rim National Park on Vancouver Island. Imagine waking up to the sound of crashing waves and exploring sandy beaches and ancient rainforests. The campgrounds here offer a unique blend of wilderness and oceanic beauty, making it a must-visit destination for nature lovers. For a truly magical experience, venture north to the Yukon and Northwest Territories. Picture yourself camping under the dancing northern lights, an awe-inspiring spectacle that will leave you breathless. These vast and untouched regions offer a chance to connect with nature in its purest form. Moving east, the Canadian prairies provide a different camping experience. Saskatchewan's Grasslands National Park offers vast open spaces, rolling hills, and stunning sunsets. Set up your tent and immerse yourself in the tranquility of the prairie landscape. Further east, we arrive at Canada's vast boreal forest. Ontario's Algonquin Provincial Park is a camping paradise, with its pristine lakes, towering pine trees, and abundant wildlife. Paddle along the tranquil waterways and witness the beauty of the Canadian Shield. Finally, let's head to the Atlantic coast, where you can experience the rugged beauty of Newfoundland and Labrador. Gros Morne National Park offers stunning fjords, towering cliffs, and breathtaking hiking trails. Set up your tent and witness the power of the Atlantic Ocean crashing against the rocky shores. Canada's tent camping destinations are as diverse as the country itself. Whether you seek mountainous landscapes, coastal beauty, or serene wilderness, Canada has it all. So, pack your tent, grab your sense of adventure, and immerse yourself in the natural wonders of Canada.